Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find a name using the Truecaller app on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Truecaller app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on search bar at the top of your screen. Now type the phone number you want to look up. Make sure to include the correct country code if the number is from another country. After entering the number, tap search. Truecaller will now look through its database and show you the name or details linked to that number if available. The number is saved in your contacts. Truecaller may show the contact name instead. Sometimes you may see limited information if the number is private or not listed in the database. And that's it. That's how you find a name using Truecaller on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.